Astronauts have a gross secret: burping in space is impossible. On Earth, gravity holds down the food and liquids in your stomach, letting the light gas float to the top so you can burp it out cleanly. But in zero gravity, there is no up or down inside your belly. Gas, liquid, and solid food all float together in a bubbly sludge. If you try to burp, that gas brings everything else right up with it. It is called a wet burp, but let us be real, it is basically vomiting. To avoid a floating mess, space agencies design astronaut diets specifically to minimize gas. Carbonated drinks like soda and beer are strictly banned on the International Space Station. So if you ever make it to orbit, enjoy the view, but leave the soda at home.